Now before I start any plastering work, I'm just going to mention something which I'm sure is absolutely obvious to everybody, but I need to switch the electricity off, okay? Whenever you're messing with anything to do with electrics, never ever take any chances. So I'm going to throw this switch here, boom, we're done. Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So back at the ranch again today, just a couple of things planned to utilise my time effectively whilst I'm here. Now one of the things that I need to do is to start doing some preparation for some plastering. So if you see my previous videos, you will know that the house has been rewired, and in every room there are multiple sockets, a couple of switches, that sort of thing. So all of these channels which have been hacked out to allow for the new wiring, they need filling in. So obviously I have my ideas about how I'm going to deal with the problem, but I wanted to put it out there to the audience. And in particular, there's a couple of guys who are expert plasterers. One is Gaz from Plastering Force RW0067, I think it is, and also Mac from Mac Plastering, both a couple of decent plastering channels, and I urge you to check them out. So what I'm going to do then, I need to start releasing some of these, the front plates on these sockets, and also for any switches, because I need to start, thinking about plastering and filling in these channels here. So I'll just reset the camera and I'll get back to you and then have a chat. Right, so the problem is as follows. I don't have a tremendous amount of time. I have done quite a bit of plastering in the past, and although I may not have the best technique, I may not be the quickest, I can actually pull off a pretty decent job. Now, given the fact that there's so much work to do, I'm conscious of the time element, and whilst I would really look forward to, doing some more plastering, some more skimming especially, I just simply don't have the time to skim all of these walls, which is one of the obvious answers you're going to receive when you ask people how to finish off these walls. Obvious thing is get them skimmed over, which is all very well and good, but like I say, I haven't got the time to do it. I'm not paying somebody to do it, that much is true. Now, so the thing is, it's a case of, what do I do? Now I obviously have my own ideas, so I've done loads of plastering in the past, and I've got some ideas about how to deal with it, but I wanted to, just put it out there to the audience, because I'm very fortunate, I do get a lot of constructive feedback from members of the audience, people who subscribe to my channel, or just sort of like check in depending on the content of the video, and it comes from a wide range of people, DIYers, professional tradespeople, of which that includes plasterers, bricklayers, joiners, tilers, carpet fitters, electricians, you name it. I get it all, and it's normally very positive and constructive, and I really appreciate that. And in order to try and make these sort of videos a bit more interactive, I just thought I'd try and get some feedback from you guys, really. Now obviously there's no point in reinventing the wheel. If somebody has already done this and faced this sort of problem, let me know how you tackled it. What did you do? So basically I have some ideas about how to deal with it, and just off the top of my head, clearly the plaster where it's been hacked out, these channels, they need filling in. For example, bonding, which is a nice backing coat, very sticky, and I was thinking of actually filling in these channels using bonding, but the thing is, what you do after you've actually filled the gaps in. I don't want to skim them, or at least I prefer not to. So how do you finish them off?